football might be our only saving grace this year. I don't usually watch football, but decided to be a Packers fan this year because what else do I have going on? And it turned out to be a good year to do it because they're doing really well. Still, no matter who you cheer for, food is undeniably one of the best things about football season. If you're new here, I'm Lindsay Moe, and you're in the Living Kitchen. And today, I'm going to show you 3 vegetarian recipes that are perfect for football season. The first is a vegetarian chili that's full of protein and vegetables, and it has the best texture of any chili I've ever tried. The second recipe is a buffalo jackfruit dip that I think would fool any meat eater into loving it. And the third is Burrito Bites with a spicy guacamole that I have definitely eaten for dinner, but their small size makes them amazing for serving with other snacks. Each of these recipes is vegetarian, but can easily be made vegan or gluten-free. I have linked the full blog posts in the description box down below, where you can find the full recipe as well as a bunch of other customizations to really make it your own. Before we dive into our recipes, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe right below here so you never miss another video from me. Otherwise, let's dive in. Our first recipe is the vegetarian chili, and this is actually a vegan chili, but I really like topping it with cheese and sour cream. So just so you know, it's really easy to make it vegan if you just want to leave those off. And we're going to start with a little olive oil. To that, we're going to add carrot, onion, red and green bell pepper, and a little garlic, and we'll saute those until soft. I usually stir every couple minutes or so. And then we're going to add some chopped jalapeno. This will help give it a nice spice, and we're also adding cumin and chili powder. Give that a stir and let the spices toast a little bit. Let that jalapeno soften up a little bit. And then we're going to add a can of diced tomatoes with their juice. I'm using 3 kinds of beans here. I have black beans, cannellini beans, or you could also use great northern beans, and kidney beans, and I also have some tomato sauce and salt. You could definitely add pepper or other spices if you prefer here. Whatever suits your taste, and it's going to be delicious. We're just going to let it simmer until it all is warm and comes together, and top it, like I said, with cheese and sour cream. I also like throwing some crispy tortilla strips on there and a little avocado, cilantro, lime juice, whatever really suits your taste. It's delicious. Our next recipe is the buffalo jackfruit dip, and this one is really easy to make vegan also if you just choose vegan versions of the dairy products used here. It starts out with ranch dressing and buffalo sauce or hot sauce, whatever you would normally use on wings. And you just want to stir that together until they're combined. To that, we're going to add a block of softened cream cheese, some shredded cheese, and some jackfruit, which I have rinsed and drained and kind of broken apart. And we also have some sliced green onion or scallion. And this can get a little tricky to stir together, especially if your cream cheese isn't super soft. So if it's difficult, just keep working at it and it comes together. Otherwise, you could use a mixer to mix the cream cheese into the ranch dressing hot sauce mix before you add the other things. And we're going to pour that into a greased oven-safe dish. I believe mine is about 2 quarts in size. And just kind of smooth out the top, spread it out evenly. And we're going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes in a 350-degree oven until it's hot and bubbly. I like to serve it warm, sprinkled with some blue cheese and topped with some more sliced green onion. And for dipping, I like to use either celery or tortilla chips. Finally, we have our burrito bites with the spicy guacamole. And to get these started, we are going to, again, put some olive oil in a pan. To that, we're going to add a chopped onion, as well as some red bell pepper, and saute that until they're softened. You can see the onion becomes a little translucent. To that, we're going to add some minced garlic. Stir that up for about a minute. And then in a bowl, we're going to add some pinto beans and some mild diced green chilies, some shredded cheese, and our sauteed vegetables. This is going to be the filling for our burritos. You definitely want to make sure you don't chop your vegetables too large, otherwise they will be difficult to roll in your burritos. We're also going to add a little salt and give that a stir, get it well combined. To make our mini burrito bites, we're going to take a large tortilla and cut it into fourths. And then in the center of each fourth, just add a little spoonful of filling. You don't want too much filling or they can get really difficult, like I said, to roll up. Start with the pointy side, fold it up, fold the sides in, and then roll it up as tightly as you can to keep it from unrolling. When you put it on the baking sheet, be sure to put it seam side down so that they don't unroll, and we'll bake that in the oven until they're crispy and lightly browned. For the spicy guacamole, we're going to smash some avocado in a bowl. To that, add some finely diced onion, some more mild diced green chilies, some chopped up Roma tomato, salt, and lime juice. I like using lots of lime juice to help keep the avocado bright green and give it lots of flavor. And we're also going to add a little finely chopped cilantro and just stir that all up. These are really delicious. You can also serve them with little bowls of your favorite salsa or sour cream or whatever you would like to dip a burrito in. You could definitely make these as a large version if you prefer a full-size burrito. They don't need to be tiny bites. That filling works great for a large burrito as well. That's it. I hope you'll give these recipes a try. They're so great for this time of year. Before you head out, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe right below here. And I want to wish you the best of luck with whoever you're cheering for. Even though I'm cheering for the Packers, I don't really care who wins. I'm just here for the food. We'll see you next time.